Okay, this is lab number 2. Um, and yeah, here we have our Arduino Nano, and it's hooked up to 5 push buttons and 5 LEDs, and it's basically an analog for the light-seeking robot that we're going to be building. Um, so yeah, basically how it works is the middle button is represents collision detection. Um, so the push button, it represents a sensor that detects whether there's a collision, and when it does, the LED lights up. That basically is going to represent how the robot will stop when it detects a collision. And the next two push buttons, they represent the motors that are controlling the wheels, and it basically steers the robot. Um, and so yeah, these two push buttons, they represent the left and right light sensors. And so when the left one goes off, um, it's telling the robot to steer left. The right one goes off, telling the robot to steer right. And when they both go off, it's telling to go straight. The collision detection is also implemented here, as you can see. When it goes off, the robot stops. And then the outermost buttons are light sensors that are and help with controlling the servo motor that's going to be connected to the LED or the light sensor platform. So this one represents up, if I'm not mistaken, and then this one represents the down light sensor, to basically tell the servo motor to either rotate up or down. And when they're both pressed together, they shut off. That's basically to stop it once both sensors have light over them. But yeah, so that's basically how the light-seeking robot is going to work. And yeah, this is just a simple representation of that. And we have 10K resistors here, 220 ohm resistors here, and it's wired. The push buttons are all wired to the analog pins, and the LEDs are wired to the digital pins. So